So this is a tough topic that the book went over because it's really hard to come up with examples where data redundancy is, number one, it's always checked really through our use of foreign keys and how we relate all these different tables together, which is kind of funny, by the way. I think this is done in Access, Microsoft Access, instead of MySQLDB. It does a nice job of showing how the overall relationships are set up by foreign keys. But then it goes over, there might be some leeway when it comes to redundancy because of two things. Sometimes data recurrency must be increased to make the database serve crucial information purposes. I don't remember an example of that per se, but maybe we'll get to it as we get further along this class and something will trigger my memory. And then sometimes data resistance exists to preserve the historical accuracy of data. Again, I get what this author's trying to say. It's tough to relate to you about it because it really doesn't, I don't think this example does a great job of that other than showing what the overall set of foreign keys does to help us. But I'm hoping that we'll land on something that'll go over this where we have redundancy and it's actually useful. So it does happen. There's got to be a darn good reason for it. And you know what? Sometimes I'm curious if it really is. So just a heads up on redundancy that really the foreign keys really should be helping us reduce that